Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching Digital Soheb. So in this video, I'm gonna review one website page builder tool which will help you to design your website very effectively without coding with drag and drop design, and you can create amazing templates using that tool. Because if you are a WordPress website designer, you don't have any coding skill, so you will design your website by using page builders, right? And their many tools are available in the market which you were using might be Elementor, Divi and Wix, many more tools. But do you know how much they are charging for their plans and what features they are giving you for your designs, right? So that's the matter. In this video I'll cover this step, like how much is price difference and how many features you will get in this tool that I'm gonna review in this video, and as well as how many benefits you will get with this tool. So without getting any delay, we will start this video. But before I start this video, if you are new to this channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell so that whenever I will be reveal my new video for digital product reviews, so you will get a notification. So let's jump into it. First of all, we will talk about few other page builders like Elementor and Divi. If you talk about Elementor pricing plan, so they have an starting pricing plan which is $49 yearly. So what they will give you in $49: drag and drop live editor, responsive design, 90 plus basic and pro visit, 300 plus basic and pro templates, 60 plus pro website kits, theme builder, premium support, right? But if you will go with expert plan, so you have to pay $199 yearly and you will get few more features. And if you will go with studio plan, so you have to pay $499 yearly, and if you will go with agency plan, so you have to pay $999 yearly, and you will get all these features with this tool, right? But they don't have any lifetime plan, right? You have to pay on a yearly basis. You have to renew your page builder every year. And if you talk about Divi theme, if you will go with Divi theme, so what price plan they have? So for Divi theme yearly access, you have to pay $89 yearly. And what they will give you in $89: access to Divi, extra bloom, Monarch, hundreds of website packs, product updates, premium support, unlimited website users, risk-free guarantee. So here you have to pay $89 for yearly. But they have also lifetime access plan. If you will go with this plan, so you have to pay $249 and you have to pay one time and you can use it for lifetime. But the issue is they are charging $249 on a yearly basis. If we talk about that tool which I'm gonna review in this video, the tool name is Join Builder. Okay, if you will go with Join Builder, so you have to pay $29 yearly for personal plan. So what you will get in this plan, everything in free plus pro library templates and library elements, Prozone builder elements, dynamic data content, custom font and icons, model and slide builder, blog achieve and post builder, WooCommerce builder, repeater, theme builder, white label, support and update. Like wow, how many features they are giving you, right? Not Elementor is giving, and as well as not Divi is giving you, but they are giving you, right? And if you will go with Pro plan, so you have to pay $69 yearly and you can build your 3 websites. In personal plan you can build 1 website, and if you will go with extend plans you can build unlimited website, but you have to pay $149 yearly. And if you will go with lifetime deal, so also they have a $249 price, so you have to pay one time and you can use it for lifetime. But this tool you can buy only in just $99. Yeah, right, I'm not joking. You can buy this tool from AppSumo marketplace. If you don't know about AppSumo is a platform from where you can buy all digital tools for your digital businesses, right? And as well as you will get 10% discount on your first purchase if you will buy any of the tool from here for your digital business, if you want to automate your business, right? But if you talk about this tool, so you will get this tool only in just $99 with a lifetime access. And what you will get features, they have mentioned all the details about this tool, what you can do in this tool, right? Plan and feature. If you talk about plan and features, so lifetime access you will get all future extend plan update. You must redeem your code within 60 days of purchase. Please note, this deal is not stakeable. So all the details you can read. And one more important thing, 60 days money back guarantee they are giving you, no matter the reason. If you are not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund. Okay, when you will pay $99, So you will get all these things. If you want to buy this tool, so I have mentioned the link in my video description, which is my affiliate link. Go through that link, and when you will click on that link, so you will be redirect on this landing page, and you can buy from here itself. And when you will buy, so I'll get some commission out of your purchase, but it will not cost you more than this amount. You have to pay only $99. Some sort of commission I will get from out of your purchase. So we have completed the step about competitors, about pricing plan, and lifetime deal. Okay, if you will buy this tool from Zone Builder official website, so you will get lifetime deal $249. But if you will buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace, so you will get this deal only at just $99. Okay, and you can access this tool for lifetime. But if you are using regularly, like for till that you are using Elementor and DV theme and any other tool, so you know that how much you are paying and how much you have to pay for further. But if you will use this tool, so you have to pay just one time, and you can use this tool for lifetime. You have all the access for lifetime, right? So now, without getting any delay, we will review this tool. I'll go to in my WordPress website dashboard, and I'll show you how you can use it and how this tool is helpful for you and what are the work you can do in with this tool, right? So watch this video till the end.
Welcome to Zion Builder. This is Gary. In this video you'll learn the first steps to page building with Zion Builder. We'll begin by adding a new page in your WordPress dashboard. Under Pages, add New. Click Edit with Zion Builder. Okay, so what are we looking at here? On the right side is the editing screen of your site, where you add and edit elements that form the layout of your page. The first thing you will want to do is to change the page layout for this page, by choosing this settings icon, Page Options, and under Page Layout select the Zion Builder Blank Canvas option. This action will replace your current page default theme with a blank canvas, and we will be able to design on the whole page. Okay, now this is the interface you need to get used to from now on. The white area with the yellow dot is the canvas on which you will lay your creativity. Here you will add and edit elements that will later form your website. On the left side is the Zion Builder panel. Here you will find some useful tools that you will need when building a page, like Tree View Panel, Library, History, Responsive Preview, Page Options Settings, Other Informations, and the Save and Publish button. When you start building your page, design it from scratch by clicking on the plus button. Here you can add sections with predefined columns. You can also add elements like text, sections, columns, image, or you can start with a pre-designed template from the library. Alrighty, let's add a template together. Open the library from the Zion Builder panel. Once you find the one you like, click on it to preview it, then insert it into the page. Now let's take a closer look at the structure of a page. Each page in Zion Builder is made up of sections. This entire area is a section. These are also sections. Do you notice the blue border around each section on hover? Inside sections are columns. You can identify them by these yellow border lines with the yellow pencil icon in top right corner. Here's another column. And inside the columns are elements. Here's a text widget inside a column, inside a section. Each section, column or element have a top right pencil icon that acts like a handle. You can drag and move elements around if you drag it. If you click it will open a toolbar with more actions like Edit, Save, Hide, Clone, and Delete. Click the blue plus icon of the section to add a new blank section with 2 columns. Now let's make the section height bigger. Add an image element to the second column and a text element to the first column. Go ahead and add a button as well. To edit the section, we can double-click on it. Or, we can open the section toolbar from the blue pencil icon and click the edit icon. We can even right-click the section and click edit from here. Let's go and make the section width a little bit more wider. From the styling tab, we can change the style of the section, like for example the background color. We can also change the font that we want to use for this section, and it will apply to all the elements from this section. Let's change the image a bit. Since it has a white background, we could easily blend it by going to the image styles under filters and selecting multiply. Now let's add some top and bottom padding to the section. While holding the Control key, drag the top blue line that appears when hovering next to the section margins. This makes the space even both at the top and at the bottom of the section. If we want to change the text, we can edit it directly with the Visual Text Editor. Or by editing the element the same way we did with the section, by going to Element Styling, under Typography, and selecting the desired font options from there. The fun part when using a template is that we can easily borrow styles from the pre-built elements. The way we do that is by copy and pasting element styles. Copy, paste, just like that. Or duplicate, drag and drop. Kid stuff. You can go even further and center this caption we just created with only 2 clicks. Want to reorder elements? The tree view makes this process stupid simple. When the tree view panel is opened, you can click any element from the right canvas. The tree view will scroll to that specific layer that corresponds to the element you have just selected. This works both ways. You can select a layer from the tree view and it will bring in front the section in the right canvas. Let's rename this section layer to distinguish it from the others. Now to move it, we can simply drag and drop it wherever we want. We also can view and reorder the child elements of this section if we press this small arrow from here. We now see that this section has 2 columns. First column has 2 text elements and 1 button element. Second column has only an image. Let's reorder these columns. Of course, we could do this also from here. The whole layout is super flexible, and your work is saved automatically. If you want to fast preview your page, hit Ctrl+P. If you want to publish and view your live page, click the Save and Publish button at the bottom of the Xion Builder toolbar. Then click View Post. Now, you're good to go.
So I hope all the details you have understand about this tool, how to use it, and how this tool is helpful for you. So right now, if you are interested for buying this tool, so you can buy this page builder and you can use it. I have mentioned the link in my video description. You can go through that link and you can use that tool. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.